Hey guys, if you guys are like me and you wait till the last minute and somebody says, oh, you need to bring dessert. Okay. Well, as you guys know, we live in a fifth wheel and my oven doesn't work. So I'm kind of restricted as to what I can do. So this is a very easy, very uncomplicated 10-minute recipe. And you probably have everything already in your cupboard, which makes this a really good go-to. All right, so all you need, some whipping cream or a tub of Cool Whip. You can, totally cheat and use a tub of Cool Whip. Powdered sugar, peanut butter, 1 8-ounce cream cheese, and milk. That's it. And a pie crust. You can make it, no problem, or you can just buy you one. You can use the chocolate. You can use one of the nut ones that are, sort of keto friendly, whatever. Or you can use just a standard Graham. It really, the crust is 100% up to you. I'm doing a chocolate because Randy's a chocoholic. So I guess what we're going to do is we're just going to get started. I'm going to make the whipping cream first, just because that probably is the one that takes the longest. Yeah, 1 cup of whipping cream. And about 1/8 cup of sugar. Eyeball it a little. And get her started. No. You see, this is like almost ready. See how it's starting to peak? Just another minute. All right, now it's really peaking. You're great shape. There we go. Got that handled. Okay, then we're going to set our whipping cream, our whipped topping aside. Going to put down our new bowl. Put our softened, you got to soften it, leave it, let it sit out for an hour or so. And put your cream cheese in there. Then we're going to need a cup whoops, little over a cup, guys. Won't hurt nothing. We do everything on the fly around here. All right. Get back on there. All right. There you go. I'm going to go ahead and, kind of, if not, I'm going to have a powder shower. Hopefully that's enough to not have a powder shower. Out of shower. Okay. This would be so much easier with a standard mixer. You know, put it in your stand mixer, or even a 2. But this is what you do in a tiny house or RV or anywhere else that's super tiny. There you are. That's what it should look like. And then we're gonna put a cup of peanut butter, which I'm not used to doing this like this, so we're just gonna wing it. It's probably basically a half a small jar of peanut butter. That's what it's looking like. Yeah, pretty much. There you go. And then we're gonna add one half a cup of milk. And any kind of milk, whole milk, I'm using that 1% because I ran out of my whole milk. And I have to do this for tomorrow, so this is what they get. That peanut butter was thick, people. There we go. Now we can blend. See, that already looks like a peanut butter lover's dream right there. You want to get it good and blended. And there you have it. Now all that's left to do is put your cup of whipping cream in there. Not a lot of muss, not a lot of fuss. Just fold that in there. Actually, I think this might have been too much whipping cream. You could back that off. You don't want to like stir it. You really just want to fold it. If you mix it instead of fold it, you'll mess up your whipping cream. Oh, if you hear my dog barking outside, it's because he pitched a fit to go outside and it's cold. So now he wants right back in, but he's just gonna have to wait. And there you have it. All folded, all pretty. And then we're just gonna take this ready-made pie crust and we are gonna dump. And that is it, people. A peanut butter pie. Less than 10 minutes, 5 ingredients. They'll think you worked all day. And it tastes like you worked all day. It's an amazing little pie. Now what you want to do after you get it all put together is get this lid out of here that doesn't want to go. Okay. And we're going to clean this real good. We're going to close it up. And then we're going to go put it in the freezer for about an hour, hour and a half. That'll firm it up. And then when you go to serve it, you can take it out of the freezer and put it in the fridge. And then maybe, 20 minutes before you go to serve, you can set it out. And there you have it, folks. Easy peasy pie. And don't forget, if you like the video and you like my pie, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks a lot, guys.